Hi guys, today we are checking S22 Ultra official screen protector. I ordered this from Samsung website. I'll give the link in the description. And here is the main package. Let's see what details are there on the package. On the back side they have labeled the contents available in the box, and we'll open and check now what is there in the box. Here we got two screen protectors and one user manual and one installation packet that has a liner, cleaning cloth, and we got a quad for sliding. So let's install now. Take the aligner, remove the sticker, place the mobile on the aligner facing upwards. Clean the screen using the cloth provided. And now use the dust removal sticker to remove the excessive dust from the screen as shown here. Now take the screen protector and remove the middle sticker. This step is very important. You need to align the holes perfectly as shown here. And now slide it on the middle portion. In next step, lift the front portion of screen protector and slide along as shown here. Repeat the same process in other direction. You don't need any aligner support here. Now remove the excessive bubbles if available. Now remove the top sticker. And that's it, installation is complete. Please check other S22 Ultra screen installation on my channel. Thank you.